This morning I'm heading into work. I'm going to be doing a Rod Stewart cover show. I can't remember the gentleman's name who's going to be Rod Stewart tonight, but I don't know. I'm hoping this will be just a simple rock show, band gear. I'm really hoping they don't decide to bring a lot of fancy fucking toys, because sometimes cover acts can forget that they're a cover act. You know, like the Pink Floyd show, Dogs of War, it was a good show, but it's just like, holy fuck, guys, it's a lot of stuff, and that wasn't even their full show. So, you know, I wish I had that kind of fucking stuff. Put it all in my minivan, and, you know, truss moving lights and soundboards and lighting boards and all the cable and everything I need. But I have to go now, so I'm gonna leave the camera sock and the camera with Amanda, and then I don't know, I'll be home when I'm fucking dead. I'm still sick, so I'm gonna bring a whole shitload of pills and get wrecked all day.
Went out and I got myself some fucking mixture, cause this is the shit that gets it. I'm telling you, man, like, if you ever get sick, like, fuck that pill form shit, just man up and fucking drink this, and you won't regret it. Well, maybe like 10 minutes after drinking it, but like, holy fuck, man. I'm gonna drink this shit and I'll show you. If you've never done this shit, the commercials don't lie. Look at it. Oh God. This is like medicine from 1876. That's cough syrup in its purest form. Ooh, man. Okay. Here we go. Wow. It's already like instant relief, but I'm dying at the same time. Yeah. Ready.
Max is at work now, and I don't know how long he's gonna be working because it's like a concert show. But anyways, I'm going to town now, and my mom and all my sisters and everybody are going shopping, I guess. I guess they're getting started on their Christmas shopping, and I'm just hanging out, I guess. I've got the vlog uploading, and so that's really good. I'm all caught up, on track. And I don't know what I'm gonna do in town, but I'm just gonna hang out, I guess. I'm bored at home alone. We made it to Walmart, and there's lots of stuff at Walmart. What's this? Oh, that's a futon bed. That's cool. $2.38. Getting a few groceries, and don't know what else. Everybody's shopping for something. What are you doing? Jasper, hi. We're checking out. I'm just tagging along today. It's a tag along day. Everybody's getting stuff, and I'm not. Max is at work. What? Great. You just had a lot of Halloween candy. He's just showing me. Don't you have Halloween candy left? Yeah. I filmed him sleeping, sitting up. He was just sleeping, sitting there. Jace, what do you want to eat?
The cheesy penne?
Yeah. Just butter.
Just butter.
Let me see. Miss Fine. And this kitty's outside here. He's meowing.
Aw, he's cute.
Poor kitty. He was meowing. Poor kitty cat. His mouth looks messed up. I'm kind of full, so I'm done. I ate most of my salad, blah blah blah. Is that good? Is that good bread? Yeah. Bye-bye.